I'm from the US. What about you?
Oh, that's cool that you are from USA. I'm from Bangladesh.
Mhm.
Yeah, and what's your name?
Oh, very nice. Sounds exotic. Elsa.
Oh, that's cool. You are Elisa. It's nice name. And I'm Shushanta Paul. So you can call me just
Oh,
Paul.
Elsa, like
And
the movie
it's nice to meet
Frozen,
you.
if you've ever seen it. Nice to meet you too.
So what are you doing now?
What's your name? Well, first I was gonna offer some free tarot reads, and now since we're on here, I'm gonna smoke a little bit.
Oh, okay. So then, do you
Weed.
smoke? How often do you smoke?
Well, since it's weed, usually every day.
Oh,
Excuse me. I use it for my ADHD, anxiety, depression. You know, I've been my own legal guardian since the age of 17 because I was emancipated from my family. So I've been through a lot, you know, and weed helps. I don't like using state prescribed medication because it causes liver damage, liver failure, you know, all that good stuff. I don't need none of that. So I stick to the all natural stuff.
okay. So, well,
Hmm.
so is it available in your local market? I mean, weed.
It's actually legal in my state. Yeah, so I can just go down the street and buy some. He's
Oh,
frozen.
you will be sick
You're
if you
frozen.
take it regularly. I mean, it's harmful for your health.
Say that again. You were skipping a lot. No,
Isn't
it's
it?
not harmful for your health. It's called medical marijuana. It's called
Oh,
medical marijuana. It's not. You know why? Because cancer patients smoke marijuana. It's not bad for you. It's actually really good for you.
oh, really? You know, one thing that it's illegal in my country. I mean, in our country, Bangladesh, it's illegal.
Yeah.
It's not allowed.
Oh, well, I will never be going there because I. So, and here in the states where I live, it's legal. Not in every state, but I live in Connecticut and it's legalized in Connecticut, blessed be. So, yeah.
Okay. So
You'd
where
be
are you
surprised
from?
how it can take away depression, anxiety, pain, help me cure my anorexia actually. So, I ain't got nothing to complain about when it comes to some weed, but everybody got their opinion and I respect it. So, thank you.
Yeah, I got it. So where are you
But me,
from?
where I'm from,
Actually,
I'm from Connecticut. I'm from Connecticut. My grandma, though, is from Puerto Rico. She came here from Puerto Rico with my mother when she was a child.
oh, okay. Then may I know that are you married? Are you taken or single?
Skipping.
Yeah, I said,
Damn.
are you taken or single?
I am taken, happily taken as well.
Okay. So do you have children?
Mhm. No, I do not have children. No, no.
Okay.
And this, world that we live in, I think it's best that I wait until, I have more, financial stability and until, maybe I'm a little bit older and my life is not saying that's not stable, but like to bring a child in with like the way inflation's going and like me not knowing what I'm going to do for my career next. I just wouldn't want to bring a kid into this world like that. I'd rather be like Rihanna, who waited to have a kid until she was almost 40 years old, but she's financially stable and she has everything she needs, so it worked out.
Oh, okay, that's cool. So do you know anything about my country? I mean, Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Or do you know anything?
What about it? Not too much, no. But I'm assuming it's the opposite of America.
Oh, okay.
I don't know
Actually,
too
I'm
much about
here
it,
for
honey.
looking someone who
Can
can
you tell
speak.
me something about?
Yeah, sure. Could you please repeat? What did you say?
No. Continue to say what you were saying.
Okay, so I'm here for practicing English. I'm just looking for someone who can speak English very well. And you are a native speaker. Am I right? And that
Yes.
means you can speak English very well.
Hold
And
on.
actually, I'm here for practicing English. And I want to improve my English speaking skill. So, could you please advise me? Could you please tell me something? How can I improve my English speaking skill?
Okay, what you would have to do is you would have to go on to Google and you would have to do your research and find somebody, preferably here in America, that you could do video chat sessions with that knows how to speak your language as well as English and can translate for you and teach you how to speak better American. That's what you have to do, basically.
Is there any application that where I can talk with USA girl or USA people?
You're skipping so bad, I can't even really hear you like that.
Okay, it's nice to meet you. You are so kind, and
I'm sorry.
I think you are a beautiful person.
Thank you. Me
Yeah,
too as well. Oh, thank you. I hope you get your help with your English.
yeah,
Mhm.
and it's for you.
Mhm. Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you. It matches my tattoos. Very nice. I like
What is that
roses.
in your tattoo? What is it?
Yours. Oh, it's roses.
Oh, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it's rose. So cute.
Yeah,
It's so beautiful.
roses. So yeah, I like that. Thank you. Oh, thanks.
So,
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Nelly. All
so
right.
can you sing? Can you sing a song?
Did I see you?
Yeah, can you sing? Sing a song.
I'm shy, so I'm probably not going to. But yeah, I'm a pretty good singer, though. I've been doing it since I was a
Oh,
kid, and I got
please
into
don't be
a lot
shy.
of
Don't be
singing
shy.
lessons when I was young.
I please don't be shy.
Yeah.
Please sing a song. Which one is your favorite song? You can sing any song.
I probably won't be singing, but I'll turn up my music a little bit.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, can you sing?
No, I'm not a singer. I'm not like that. I'm not a good at sing. But yeah, I thought that you
I
are a
mean, you can still
singer.
try, right?
Yeah, you can try. Let's try.
You thought I was a singer. Why do you think?
Yeah, it's okay. No problem.
Why'd you think that?
I'm waiting for your sing. I think you will be sing a song.
Darn, you're skipping so much. I hope you have a great rest of your day. It was so nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
Damn. I don't know what's gonna happen with this. End of PK score lock. Now what?
So do you have any problem? I want to say one thing that
Nothing?
actually I have a YouTube channel and I make English conversation with foreigners, and that's cool that you are from USA. So do you have any problem?
Yeah, it's cool that.
Yeah, do you have any problem if I record this video and then upload this video on my YouTube channel?
Sure, I guess. You could do that if you want.
Is it okay?
Sure, why not?
Oh, thank
Yeah,
you.
no, that's fine.
I'm
Sure.
appreciate. I'm appreciate.
For You're welcome. What YouTube channel is it?
Yeah, so you can say something like, how can we improve our English speaking skill? How can we improve our English?
Well, like I said before, you'd have to hire someone to help you improve your English speaking skills, and it would preferably be somebody in America that you could video chat with. You'd have to go onto Google and find someone that not only speaks your language but English as well, and just go from there. Simple as that.
Okay, thank you. And how many languages you can speak?
You're welcome. Just English. That's it, honestly.
Okay, do you know Spanish?
No, I do not know Spanish. No.
Okay, do you think Spanish is second language in your country? I mean USA? Most of the people Spanish language, is it right?
There's a lot of Spanish speaking people here, but there's also a lot of English speaking people and a whole bunch of other languages, because just like there's a lot of different people,
Okay,
so I can't even say.
do you think Spanish is second language?
Not the majority. Um, yes and no. I would say first it would be English, and then next it would be, yeah, maybe Spanish, and then third would be like Jamaican. There's a lot of
okay.
Jamaican speaking people in America as well. I work with a lot of them. And sometimes it's a little understand them, but I love them. But yeah.
Okay. So it's really good to see you. That you look so. You look so happy. You are always. I like your smile. Your smile is so sweet.
Very happy in life. Thank
Keep
you.
smiling. Keep smiling, because when you
Thank
smile,
you.
you look so beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. You're sweet. Thank you. No, I'm really happy in life, so that's probably why I look so happy, because I'm happy. Life is good,
Yeah.
Yeah.
So can I guess your age?
Sure, why not?
I think you are.
What do you think I am?
You are 27 or 26.
Oh, you got it on the nail.
Am I right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay, then can you guess my age?
Okay. I would say you could be 25 or 28.
Oh my gosh, very close. I'm 24.
Oh, 1 year off. 1 year off. Okay,
Yeah,
that's
I
good.
think you are very good at guessing.
Wow, okay. Thank you. I use my intuition, or at least I try.
Yeah,
If you don't use your intuition, you're not going to get too far in life, because, there's a lot of hidden things and secrets and tricks that the government and other people will play on you, and if you don't pay attention by not using your intuition, you're gonna get fucked over in life. Okay, let's just say that. So using your intuition, feeling everything, trusting your gut is always a good thing.
Okay. So you can actually right now I'm recording this video, so you can ask me anything, any question. If you have any question, then you can ask me anything.
Well, I really don't know if I have any questions, honestly. I'm not really a question type of person, or at least not on the spot.
Okay, then may I ask you some question?
So you're good. Yeah, sure, why not?
What's your favorite color?
Orange.
Orange. Oh, okay. My favorite color is black.
Really? Okay, that's interesting. That's very interesting.
Yeah, and what do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time?
Well, when I have free time, I spend some of it with my boyfriend, and then I spend other times taking care of me, and then I spend, another part of my free time resting because I do a lot. I live alone, so when I'm not resting, I'm up taking care of my house or my bills or whatever else I have to do. But yeah, what about you?
Yeah, in my free time, I always try to learn English because of nowadays I'm crazy for learning English, and it's very important. In my country, if you wanna get a good job, if you wanna go to abroad for higher study, then you have to know English, and that is why I'm trying to learn English. And it's very appreciate that
Right.
you are from USA and I find you. I'm very happy today.
Oh, well, you're welcome. I'm happy that you're happy.
Okay.
It's always a good thing.
Yeah. So
But I do have to go. I have to go
It's
eat
okay. So
something. I'm
before
really
go,
hungry. I've been on this app for a little while.
what do you want to say for my audience?
Yes.
Do you want to say something like my YouTube channel name, Mr. Paul English? So could you please say something for my audience?
What is your channel called again?
Yeah, Mr. Paul. Mr. Paul.
Okay. Mr. Ball. Ball. Yes. Okay. Okay. All right. I'm just trying to remember that, but I'm really honestly unsure what to say, but you're a great guy. I'm really happy that I met you. I felt like it was probably for a reason. I am a grateful to follow, subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff, guys. Comment as well.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Have a good one.
Yeah,
All right.
it's nice to meet you.
Bye.